In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a clean view in a Notion gallery database. By the end, you'll know how to hide unnecessary properties so your gallery cards display only the information you want. Open your Notion page and navigate to the gallery database you want to customize. Click the View Options icon in the top right corner of the database, then select Layout. Under the Gallery Layout settings, find the Properties section. Here, you'll see a list of all the properties displayed on your gallery cards. Turn off the properties you don't want to show, leaving only the ones that are most important, such as the page, title, or cover image. Your gallery will update immediately as you make changes. If you're using cover images, you can also adjust the card preview, card size, and fit image options to make your gallery cleaner and easier to browse. If your gallery still looks cluttered, check that you're editing the correct gallery view. Each database view has its own layout and property settings, so changes made to one view won't affect the others. That's how to get a clean view on a gallery database in Notion. Thanks for watching.